Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we got our next edition of BattlBox here. I'm super excited. When I got home from work, I picked this up, and it is just absolutely, you can tell like there's some good items in there. I'm hoping there's good items. This will be my real first BattlBox because the first one was a welcome. So let's crack into this right now and see what's in there. So the first thing they give you here is the box of what everything we're gonna get here. All right, guys, now what we're gonna do is, as you can see, we have everything here. Now we're just gonna pull these items out. This is pretty heavy. This looks like a shooting target. We'll pull this out more in a second here. Just gonna kind of go through everything. Bubble wrap. These look like probably some gun lube. We'll go through everything and see what we have here. This is a Halo gun magnet. So we'll kind of open these up, see what these are. Then there's this patch, just one project there. So nice little Velcro, kind of nice. And a DVD, active shooter mass casualties. Probably can't see that. This is actually by Tim Kennedy, and this is actually a DVD I was actually been thinking about ordering from his the website that he I think he has. I don't know if it's his website or for a company that he's a part of, and I was really wanting to get this. And this is I believe, just going off of my memory for the website, was like $30. So this right here is definitely going to be kind of worth it, especially with kind of the stuff going on. So coupon code. And then another battle box. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna pause the video, get everything set out of what we got here, and we'll go through everything, okay? All right, guys, as you see, we got everything laid out for you just so you can kind of see it. The first thing they have here, this is the Halo gun magnet 2-pack, and I'm gonna pull this out of the screen just to read it. But it says strong enough to hold all handgun, shotgun, and rifle. Protective coating, soft rubber coating will not scratch your firearm. You can stick it in your car, your safe, under your desk, anywhere. 2 magnet per box. Each magnet has a 30-pound pull force, and then fast installation, strong adhesive backing, and screws included. So now we're going to pull this out. So as you can see here, the comes with the screws. The screws are definitely sticking to the magnets. So as you can see, actually, there's the adhesive. If you want to do that. So I ended up grabbing one of my handguns. This is just a Ruger handgun revolver, 5-shot. As you can see, it's empty, just for all the safety nuts out there. So, but now we're just gonna, as you see, that clicked right to it. So I mean, it literally was, and yeah, these magnets are definitely really cool. Something that I probably wouldn't be thinking about maybe purchasing, and I think probably definitely going to have to do a future video on these and installing these, putting these somewhere, you know, my house or in my car, because I think these would be a fantastic item. As you can see, they just clip together. So that's the magnets. Then the next one here is the AR 500 4-inch gong target from Shooting Targets 7.com. So that's nice. You get a, so if you're able to shoot outside and actually have it sealed. That's pretty cool. It's a good shooting target. So if you're able to shoot outside and you have 2 poles, you can just hang it and just plink away all day long. Yeah, this is definitely cool. of that. And I forgot to tell you the price point of the magnets here. They're saying these are $19.95, so that's actually not bad. This gong plate here that they're saying is $11.97, which is not a bad for that. Now the active shooter DVD here by that has Tim Kennedy on here. This is the Survival Summit Active Shooter DVD featuring Tim Kennedy from Sheepdog Response. That was the website. And I was right. They are saying that the DVD is a $29.95, so definitely worth it, especially with everything that's going on. So I'm super excited to have this DVD. Definitely gonna watch it, and you know, maybe if you guys are interested, maybe I would do like a quick overview of saying if it's something worth it for you guys to, you know, maybe purchase or something like that. The next items we have here are the Rand Clip 0.6 ounce firearm cleaner, lubricant protective. So that's really good. You never can go wrong to have cleaners and lubrication for all of your firearms, especially, you know, for a rainy day. You could just throw it in your gun bag or whatever you want to do. And then the last one is the patch, just for one project. They're saying this item is free, Velcro on the back, so pretty cool. I'll bring this here so you guys can see what you're getting from some of the other boxes. So if you want to pause it, go ahead and pause it. So that's just kind of like what is on here. So like I said, for right now, I'm just doing the basic. And to be honest, right now, I've been very happy with the basic boxes, you know, with this being technically my first one that I've gotten. So definitely, I'm really glad I've gone with BattlBox. And from my research that I did before, you definitely got your money's worth out of it. So definitely very, very happy to get it. And so far, they're 2 for 2, unlike Crate Club, which was, you know, the first one was okay, but this one is definitely very happy. So write in the comment section down below if you have, you know, maybe used the magnet or if you've used any of these products, and let me know. Also, hit the like button if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.